Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to thank the gentleman from Texas who earlier spoke on this particular issue. I rise today to speak about this crucial bill, H.R. 5569, the National Flood Insurance Program Extension Act of 2010, which would extend the National Flood Insurance Program through the end of September this year. The flood insurance program provides valuable protection for approximately 5.5 million homeowners. Unfortunately, the lack of a long-term authorization has placed this program at risk. The program has lapsed 3 times now since the beginning of this year, for 2 days in March, for 18 days in April, and again since June 1. These lapses meant that FEMA was not able to write new policies, renew expiring policies, or increase coverage limits. This also means that each day, 1,400 home buyers who wanted to purchase homes located in floodplains are unable to close on their homes. Given the current crisis in the housing market, this instability in the flood insurance program is hampering the market's recovery, and it must be addressed. This bill would simply extend the current program through September 30th, 2010 to address the immediate issue of individuals being able to close on their homes. Soon I will be able to support Ms. Waters in bringing comprehensive flood insurance reform to the floor. This bill passed out of the Financial Services Committee on a simple voice vote in April. Ms. Waters' bill would restore stability to the flood insurance program by reauthorizing the program for 5 years and would address the impact of new flood maps by delaying the mandatory purchase requirement for 5 years and then phasing in actuarial rates for another 5 years. Ms. Waters' bill also makes other improvements to the program by phasing in actuarial rates for pre-firm policies, raising maximum coverage limits, providing notice to renters about contents insurance, and establishing a flood insurance advocate similar to the taxpayer advocate at the Internal Revenue Service. In the meantime, we must extend the current National Flood Insurance Program. This country is reeling from major floods in Tennessee, Arkansas, and Oklahoma, and we are now officially in hurricane season. I urge my colleagues to stand with me in support of this important extension, and I want to thank Ms. Waters and Chairman Frank, and I urge my colleagues to vote in favor of this bill.
Gentlelady, reserve your time.
I reserve the right.